I am Andrew Yu, VP of Engineering at Okta. I am the platform leader responsible for all the cloud infrastructure and operations. Okta is the leading independent neutral identity company. Auth0 is Okta's developer-friendly platform for custom identity. We have been a long-time MongoDB customers. We pretty much use MongoDB from the beginning. Over the last few years, we've actually transitioned from self-hosted MongoDB to MongoDB Atlas, and that has worked out really well for us. So with Atlas, we are able to automate most of our infrastructure deployments and operations. And because of the mission-critical nature of Auth0, we do have a lot of demands that I work with MongoDB on, and I think that partnership has really helped us. I see all this recent effort in the AI application area. I see work in scaling better performance. All these are things that allow us to be very comfortable using MongoDB. Performance, scalability, reliability, those are very important attributes for enterprise customers. The transition to MongoDB Atlas has really allowed us to spend less time on the operations of these databases that used to be self-hosted, automating things, giving our customer ever more resiliency. Those are the things that we're able to do without having to worry about the operations ourselves. For us, identity is security. That's something that we offer to our customer. And so when looking at our vendors and partners, we want someone who takes security as seriously as we do, and Mongo definitely has worked out really well for us.